Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video we are going to start our fifth chapter of Social Studies. So students, take out your Social Studies book, Window on the World, and open the chapter 5, Places in Our Neighborhood, page number 24. Okay students, take out your Social Studies book and open the chapter 5, page number 24. Okay students, so what is our topic? Our topic name is Places in Our Neighborhood. Okay, chapter 5, Places in Our Neighborhood. Okay, so students, in this chapter you will learn about the important places in your neighborhood, and you will also learn the importance of that places. Okay students, so firstly tell me students, do you know about the neighborhood? What is the neighborhood students? Can you tell me what is the neighborhood? So the neighborhood is the area in which we all live. Okay, so you can see the area around your house is called your neighborhood. Okay, so the area around your house is called your neighborhood. Okay, is that clear? So in our previous chapter we had learned about the different kinds of houses, and in this chapter we will learn about that the area around these houses are called our neighborhood. Okay, so students, this is a very important to know your surrounding, to know your neighborhood, and you will really enjoy to read this chapter and to know more about your neighborhood. Okay students, and it's really fun to learn about your neighborhood because it's a real life situation. Okay students, so take out your books and open the chapter 5, page number 24, and let's start reading with me this chapter. Okay students, so students, where do we live? We live in a houses. Okay, so our family lives in a house. Okay, or you can say we live in a house with our family. Okay, is that clear? So different families live in the houses around us. Okay, so the different families live in the houses around us. So these families are our neighbors, and the area in which we all live is our neighborhood. Okay, is that clear? So let's start reading this chapter. So here firstly we will learn a right value and then we will move ahead. Okay students, so firstly look at your book. Here this box is given in your book, you can see, and here you will learn a right value. So be a good neighbor, greet your neighbors politely whenever you meet them. Be friends with them and help them out whenever you can. So be a good neighbor, greet your neighbors politely whenever you meet them. Be a friend with them and help them out whenever you can. Okay, so here it is said that you should politely greet your neighbors because they are only one who will help you in a critical situation, because they are very close to our houses, and when you will fall in any critical situation, they will help you firstly. Okay, so whenever you meet your neighbors, so you should greet them politely. You should not behave you should not behave with them any rude, and you should behave with them a friendly behavior. Okay, you should keep a friendly behavior with them, and you should help them when they are in critical situation. Is that clear? because if you will because if you will help them in their critical situation, they will also help you whenever you will fall in any critical situation. Is that clear, students? and it's a it's a very good thing. It's a humanity that we should always help the other peoples, and especially who are our neighbors. We should definitely help them because they are very close to our houses, and they will help us whenever we will in any critical situation. Okay, is that clear? Now turn your page and come to the next page. Come to the page number 25, students, and here put finger on the first line. Okay, put finger on the first line, students, and now let's start reading this chapter with me, students. And you have to and now you have a task. You have to listen to me carefully, students, in order to understand and how I'm pronouncing every single word of this chapter. Okay, students, so let's start reading. There there are many important places in a neighborhood. There are many important places in a neighborhood. These places are called landmarks. Okay, so what is a landmark, students? Can you tell me what is a landmark? So the landmarks means the important places in a neighborhood. Okay, so landmark, students, it means the important places in a neighborhood is called landmarks. Okay, to understand what the landmarks in a neighborhood are, let us visit neighborhood. Okay, so basically in this chapter, here is a girl and a little boy, and they are talking to each other. Okay, so this girl is saying, "Hi, I am Neeta. Welcome to my neighborhood. Let me take you around it." So this all chapter is based on the neighborhood of Neeta, and she is taking us to the around the house of Neeta. Okay, so this all area we will learn about. This chapter is all about the Neeta's neighborhood. Okay, but you have to find out that these all places are present in your neighborhood or not, and if present, then which places are present in your neighborhood and which are not. Okay, so in this chapter you will learn about that which are the important places that are in one's neighborhood. Okay, so you can see in this picture, students, you can look at this picture in your book, students. This picture is given on page number 25. So this is a picture of a neighborhood area. Okay, this is a picture of a neighborhood. Okay, So what are the places in this picture? So here firstly you can see there is a school in this picture. There is a police station. Here a market, a bank and post office, etc. Okay. So in this chapter we will see the neighborhood of Nita. Okay, and then we will find out that are they places are present in our neighborhood or not. Okay, is that clear, students? So there are many important places in a neighborhood. Okay, so in a neighborhood there are so many important places are present, like the police station, school, fire station, post office, bank, market, etc. Okay, there are so many important places are in a neighborhood. So these places are called landmarks. Okay, as I told you earlier, a landmark means the important places in a neighborhood. Okay, so the important places in a neighborhood are called landmarks. Okay, so you also have the important landmarks in your neighborhood. So we will find out that you have these landmarks in your neighborhood or not. Okay, so to understand what the landmarks in a neighborhood are, let us visit Nita's neighborhood. Okay, so to understand that what are the important landmarks in a neighborhood are, we have to visit the Nita's neighborhood. Okay, so in this chapter we will visit the Nita's neighborhood. Okay, and then we will find out that these landmarks are present in our neighborhood or not. Okay, is that clear, students? What are the important landmarks are? So a neighborhood usually has a market, as you can see in this picture, market, park, a post office, a hospital, a fire station, a police station, a school, and a bank and ATM booths. Okay, so these are the important landmarks in a neighborhood. Okay, is that clear? So what we had learned in this chapter, students? So what we have learned in this chapter? So we have learned about the neighborhood. What is neighborhood? The area around our house is called our neighborhood. And who are neighbors? The people who live in our neighborhood is called neighbors. Is that clear? And we had learnt about the meaning of landmark. That what is landmark? The important places in a neighborhood are called landmarks. Okay, so in the next video we will read the remaining chapter and we will see the important landmarks in a neighborhood, and we will visit the Nita's neighborhood. Okay, in the next chapter. Okay, students, so that's it. And I have a homework for you all, students. You have to read the chapter with the help of your guardians. Okay, and I hope you understood. So keep in mind what all you have learned today, and in the next video we will cover the remaining chapter. Okay, students, so bye bye, take care of yourself, see you in the next video lesson.